In this video, we are going to see comments in Python. Before going to the video, subscribe to my channel In and Around Computer. First, we can see why do we use comments in Python. Comments can be used to explain Python code. Comments can also be used to make the code more readable, and it can prevent the execution when testing code. So for this, we are using the comments, and now we can see how can we include comments in Python code. Now we can see how can we create a comment, and the comment starts with a hash symbol and Python will ignore them. So whatever line we write starting with hash symbol, Python will ignore that. It is a comment, and comments can be placed at the end of the line, and Python will ignore the rest of the line. That is, if we write the code as print hello world, and then if you start a comment line, then this is a comment followed it is that starts with the hash symbol is ignored as comment. And comment does not have to be text that explain code. It can also be used to prevent Python from executing the code. So this print statement hello world, so this is this statement is prevented from execution by adding the hash symbol in front of that. So for this also this is used. And we can also use multi-line comments. That is, Python does not really have a syntax for multi-line comments, but to add a multi-line comment, you can insert a hash for each line. So this is an example for that, and you can include a hash for each line. And or for a multi-line string, you can use since Python will ignore string literals that are not assigned to a variable, you can add a multi-line string in your that is triple quotes in your code and place your comment inside it. And this is an example for that. You can include a triple quotes and you can write the comments, and then I can close that, and as long as the string is not assigned to a variable, Python will read the code, but then will ignore it that you have made a multi-line comment. So this is all about the comments in Python.